Hey everyone! Welcome back to this channel where we break down the latest in smartphones, wearables, and everything tech. Today we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Leaks, specs, the release window, and why some fans are already divided. Curious? Please watch until the end. Let's get into it. Samsung's Fan Edition, or FE series, has carved out a sweet spot in the market, flagship performance at a more affordable price. Based on multiple leaks and Samsung's past release schedule, the Galaxy S25 FE is expected to arrive in fall 2025, most likely between September and November. That timing lines up with the usual 6 to 8 month gap after the Galaxy S25 flagship launch, which happened earlier in the year. Let's talk about design. The S25 FE is rumored to get a slimmer build, possibly matching the profile of the standard S25. We're likely to see a continuation of Samsung's signature look, flat edges, Gorilla Glass protection, and a matte finish. This screen size puts it right between the S25 and S25 Plus, making it a great sweet spot for media and gaming. Under the hood, this is where things get a little controversial. The S25 FE is rumored to ship with the Exynos 2400E chipset, the same one used in the S24 FE. While it's not a bad processor, some fans are disappointed Samsung isn't using a newer Snapdragon or a next-gen Exynos. Gaming and multitasking should still be solid, but don't expect it to outperform the Galaxy S25 Ultra or competing flagships using Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Camera details are still under wraps, but based on the last FE model, we expect something like this. You'll get Samsung's usual strengths: good color processing, decent night performance, and solid stabilization. But probably not the pro-level zoom or AI enhancements from the Ultra models. The Galaxy S25 FE is expected to feature a 4,500 to 4,800 mAh battery and support 25-watt fast charging, which is decent but not groundbreaking in 2025. No major upgrade is expected here. Still no charger in the box, and still slower than some Chinese competitors offering 65-watt or higher. On the software front, the phone will likely launch with Android 16 and One UI 8. Samsung's commitment to 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches means you're good until 2029. Pricing is still a mystery, but we expect something in the $599 to $699 range, depending on the region and configuration. That puts it right up against phones like the Pixel 9a and OnePlus Nord 5 Pro. If Samsung gets the price right, this could be a killer mid-premium phone. But if the Exynos performance underwhelms again, it might struggle to compete. What do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 FE shaping up to be the next budget king, or are you holding out for something better? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.